how to add pictures to TikTok video. So if you want to attach picture or add picture to the TikTok video that you have captured, then this video might be helpful. So make sure to watch the video till the end and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your TikTok application and make sure you are logged into your account. You need to know that in order to create your video, you need to log into your account. For that, you can tap on your profile at the right bottom corner, and here will be the option for logging in. You just can simply enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you have to tap on the plus like option at the center of the lower button. And you will be opened up to this interface from where you can create a video. So in order to create a video, you just can tap on this red button. Here you can see I have captured a video of this appearance, and you have to check mark at the right hand side. So here at the right hand side you can see the bunch of options. Among these, you just have to tap on edit option in the upper right section, and here you can edit your video. You can split it, you can maintain the speed, and many more. In the lower section of the right hand side there is a plus option parallel to the video, so you just have to tap on the plus and you have to switch to the photos option over here and just select the photo that you want to enter and go for the next. And by doing that, you can see the photo has been added and the video that you have captured is also available over here. And after doing that, you just have to tap on save option in the right upper corner, and you can see the photo has been added to the video I have captured. So this is how you do. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.